Choosing the right collar for your dog is essential for their comfort, safety, and training. The best dog collars for German Shepherds offer durability, control, and comfort to match the breed's strengths and intelligence, ensuring a perfect balance for everyday use. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Sport Dog Dog Training Collar. The Sport Dog Dog Training Collar is an excellent choice for German Shepherd owners seeking a professional, reliable, and rugged training tool. With a 500-yard range and compatibility to train up to 3 dogs, additional collars required, it suits both backyard and field training scenarios. The collar is designed for dogs 8 pounds and up, fitting neck sizes between 5 and 22 inches, making it a solid fit for medium to large breeds like the German Shepherd. One of its top highlights is the no-look operation, enabling you to adjust settings on the go without taking your eyes off your dog, which is vital during real-time training. The collar offers 21 levels of static stimulation with medium to high ranges, along with tone, beep, and vibration, buzz options. This variety allows owners to customize the correction style based on the dog's behavior and sensitivity. Built for outdoor and rugged use, the collar features dry tack waterproofing, submersible up to 25 feet, and a lithium-ion rechargeable battery that charges in 2 hours and lasts 50 to 70 hours per charge. With low battery indicators, it ensures you're never caught off guard. The full package includes the remote transmitter, receiver with a 3/4-inch collar strap, charging adapter, 2 sets of contact points, a test light tool, lanyard, and a basic training manual. For a strong and intelligent breed like the German Shepherd, this collar provides balanced control and functionality. It's well suited for serious training routines, obedience reinforcement, or behavior correction. With its reliable performance and user-friendly design, the Sport Dog Collar is a favorite among both professional trainers and experienced dog owners alike. Number 2. Bousnic Shock Collar. The Bousnic Shock Collar is a well-rounded, budget-friendly choice for German Shepherd owners who need a simple yet effective training collar. This e-collar features 3 safe and humane training modes: standard beep, vibration, and shock, with the shock function offering 16 adjustable levels. This range of correction methods makes it easy to tailor the training to your dog's temperament and behavior. The collar fits dogs from 8 to 120 pounds and neck sizes from 6 to 27 inches, so it's ideal for powerful breeds like the German Shepherd. One of its key advantages is its generous 1,000-foot remote range, which offers flexibility for training in your backyard, parks, or open fields. Additionally, the remote supports dual-channel functionality, allowing you to train 2 dogs simultaneously, an excellent feature for multi-dog households. The ergonomic design of the remote makes it comfortable to use and intuitive to operate, even with one hand. This collar is IPX7 waterproof, meaning your dog can wear it during rainy weather or even while swimming without worry. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers long-lasting power and can be conveniently recharged using a phone adapter. A full charge typically provides extended usage time, making it practical for daily training sessions. What sets the Bousnic Shock Collar apart is its compact and lightweight receiver. It's comfortable enough for long training periods without adding extra weight to your dog's neck. This collar is particularly suited for first-time trainers or pet parents who want a safe and customizable tool to improve obedience and behavior. For German Shepherds who are both strong and smart, the Bousnic Shock Collar offers essential control and versatility, all without sacrificing comfort or simplicity. Number 3. INVIROX Shock Collar. The INVIROX Shock Collar stands out as a high-performance training tool designed with military-grade quality and versatility. Created by veterans, this collar offers 124 training levels, including beep 1 to 8, vibration 1 to 16, and static shock 1 to 99, giving German Shepherd owners precise control to match their dog's unique training needs. With its professional-level features and ease of use, it's ideal for working dogs, service dogs, and any owner looking to build advanced obedience skills. A 7-foot 8-mile range ensures powerful signal coverage even in expansive areas like parks or fields. Its ultra-durable construction includes IP67 waterproofing for the collar receiver and IP65 for the remote, ensuring top performance in rain, mud, or snow. With a safety keypad lock, there's no risk of accidental shocks, which is essential when carrying the remote in a pocket or bag. Comfort isn't sacrificed either. The collar fits dogs from 8 to 150 pounds, making it perfect for all sizes, especially larger breeds like the German Shepherd. You can wear the remote 3 different ways: lanyard, wrist strap, or belt clip, offering hands-free flexibility during active training. Battery life is impressive, with up to 15 days of operation per charge and 45 days standby time, plus 24/7 customer support and 1-year warranty offered peace of mind. Whether you're working on behavior correction, off-leash commands, or advanced tasks, the INVIROX shock collar provides unmatched customization and control. It's built to last, designed for safety, and fine-tuned for performance. Everything a German Shepherd owner could ask for in a training device.
Number 4. Jugbow Dog Shock Collar. The Jugbow Dog Shock Collar is a highly customizable training system, ideal for strong, energetic breeds like the German Shepherd. It offers 4 training modes: beep, vibration, safe shock, and boost, with fully adjustable intensity levels. Beep equals 1 to 8, vibration 1 to 16, shock 1 to 99, and boost plus 10%. This variety ensures that training can be tailored to match your dog's personality and behavior, whether you're correcting excessive barking or working on recall. This is especially helpful for consistent training with multiple dogs. The collar is IPX7 waterproof, making it perfect for active dogs who love to swim or play in wet conditions. It's designed to fit dogs from 10 to 120 pounds, with neck sizes from 7.8 to 24.4 inches, and the nylon collar is both soft and durable for long-term wear. The lightweight receiver ensures your dog remains comfortable during extended training sessions. Number 5. Bousnic Dog Training Collar. The Bousnic Dog Training Collar is a top contender for German Shepherd owners who want reliable control and an extended signal range. With 4,000 feet, 3/4 mile antenna, this collar ensures a stable and interference-free connection, even through walls, trees, or large open fields. It's perfect for outdoor activities like hiking or playing fetch in the woods, where your dog may venture further away. It features 3 separate and humane training modes: beep, vibration, and shock, with the shock intensity adjustable from 1 to 16. Each mode is controlled by individual buttons for fast, blind operation, meaning you won't need to look at the remote to correct your dog, an important benefit during active training sessions. Whether you're correcting behavioral issues or reinforcing obedience, this makes it easy to switch between dogs. Battery life is solid, with long standby time and quick USB charging support. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.